What's good, YouTube? I'll be breaking down the loss I took on Euro CHF, how the trade idea, the setup gave us everything we needed to see, and we still lost the trade. Let's jump into the breakdown. So, I'm breaking down the trade I lost on Euro CHF. So, let me show you how I formulated the trade idea initially. So, this trade idea was actually very simple, market structure as always. Notice price was bearish. Let me remove this. Yeah. You notice price was forming highs, lows, lower highs, and lower lows, and lower highs, and lower lows. Right? So we're expecting this lower high to form the lower low. And in what am I saying? In all honesty, the trade idea is still valid. My entry was just off. And it happens like that sometimes. You have to just move on. You can't be dwelling on the past. So yeah, what I noticed was I drew my Fibonacci swing high to swing low, and I noticed price was on my Fibonacci zone. So I need you to imagine all of this price action here as just a moment. Okay, hold on, my bad. So like I'm going to draw a box, and I'm going to imagine all of this price action here has not yet happened, right? So we'll drop down to the 4-hour time frame. All right. So on the 4-hour time frame, we noticed that price was respecting a smaller support zone right here. You can see the zone has been support. Hold on, let me remove my Fibonacci zone for clarity. I like when my charts are clean. So for support, we noticed that there was this support zone here, which was support resistance. So it came here and we thought it was support. So we dropped to the 1-hour time frame. So continue the bearish move. So on the 1-hour time frame, we simply noticed that price gave us a beautiful head and shoulders pattern, which is one is part of my trading plan, one of my patterns I look out for. So we noticed that price was reacting from a 4-hour zone, and it gave us a beautiful head and shoulders pattern, which is almost textbook, clear as day. The left shoulder, right? This was your head, and this was your right shoulder. But after I noticed this, all I waited for was this pullback to hopefully continue the move down, but that unfortunately did not happen. So instead, what happened was that price gave us this bearish engulfing candle, which is also my entry signal. So you are going to notice how price gave me everything I needed to see in my trade plan, and I still lost the trade. It just goes to show that sometimes you're going to lose trades. It's inevitable. This trade gave me everything I needed to see: left head, right shoulder, bearish engulfing candle, targeting like a 1 to 3, something like that. Yeah. So that did not happen. Fortunately, it happens like that sometimes. You're not always going to win all your trades. And why this trade is actually considered a win in my books, I followed my trading plan. So yeah, I didn't mess up anywhere. So if you go on the 4-hour, waiting for the next potential entry right now. So this trade is actually still valid. If you know anything about market structure, you know this is a lower high and this is a lower low, and price could still easily come here and give us this lower low we're expecting. So yeah, I just need to look out for price action. But for transparency's sake, I just decided to break down this loss I took to show that losses are inevitable. Because this trade idea, I followed my plan to the T. Change of structure, left shoulder, head and shoulder pattern, bearish engulfing, we still lost. So I'm not even mad about it. I'm just showing you that it happens like that sometimes. So I'll show you the trade in my free Telegram group. If you are interested in joining, it's still free. Click the link, join the group. See, get the same trades I take early. Yeah, I'll show you. Let me go to my Telegram group and show you the trade right now. Alright, so this is the trade. I sent it the beginning of the week because that's how I always do. I always send my watch list on the Monday, send all the pairs I'm monitoring. So So this is GBP card which I already broke down. Maybe the video will not be out yet. Yes, so this was the trade idea right here. Euro CHF, expecting this break and retest to continue the down move. So this is the update of me losing the trade. This is the entry, potential entry for tomorrow. You can see left head, right shoulder, or everything I look out for. She gave me everything I look out for. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, break, retest, give me the bearish engulfing, and I entered the trade because it's part of my plan. Still lost. So yeah, transparency's sake, I like sharing my losses and my win. So that is it for the trade.
Alright, so that's the breakdown on Euro CHF done. Hopefully you took value, learnt a lesson. Notice how the trade gave us everything we needed to see and we still lost it. So the lesson I learned from that setup is that sometimes the market is going to give you everything in your trading plan and still does not guarantee you're going to win the trade. That's basically the lesson from this trade. So yeah, hopefully you took value from this video. Drop your questions in the comments, like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.